Science Center, mainit na usapin po itong ongoing reclamation project. Some are already ongoing, iba may mga permits na, yung iba nasa paperwork stage, ngayon suspended. Pero samantalahin po namin ang inyong expertise, ang epekto nitong reclamation na to sa ating kalikasan.
Alam nyo, Ali, all you have to do, lahat tayo, punta lang tayo sa Manila Bay ngayon. Punta ka sa gitna ng Rojas Boulevard, tingin sa kaliwa, tingin sa kanan. Diba? Basically, sinasara ang Manila Bay ng reclamation projects. Wala ka na makikitang sunset, wala ka na makikitang view. More importantly, dahil sa mga reclamation project na yan, malulunod eventually ang buong Rojas Boulevard, Intramuros, Ermita, yung bahagi ng Pasay na may CCP, lahat yan malulubog in 20-30 years. No?
Wow.
Hindi siya kailangan ng rocket science. Siyempre, the government, since sila ang pumayag niyan, they have to review it thoroughly. Gamitin yung best science. And niniwala ako si Secretary Yulo Loizaga is doing the right thing, di ba? Hindi niya basta-basta i-cancel yan. Kailangan, okay yung isuspend muna, and then kailangan nila tingnan ng mabuti to the best science possible. But I have been looking at that science for 20 years na. Palagi na natin sinasabi yan sa gobyerno, huwag kayong pumayag ng kahit anumang malaking reclamation. Yung once in a while na, di ba? Konting dagdag nito, seawall dito, yung pwede naman yon. Pero yung buong BGC, yan ang tinatransplant dyan eh. Yung bagong bagong Rockwell, ilalagay mo sa tabi ng port natin, that is foolishness of the extreme. And greed to the extreme. Kasi yung mga projects na yan will not last 20-30 years. But kumita na yung mga gagawa. Yun ang masakit dyan. They will all, yung mga developers, yung mga nag-fund yan kikita, but everyone else, including the country, the city of Manila, Pasay, Malabon, Navotas, and all of the Metro Manila Bay region magsasuffer. It's very important ito to understand. Lalampasan na ba natin yung carrying capacity ng isang lugar? Di ba? I'm not gonna contest yung reclamation ginawa sa CCP, di ba? Reclamation yan eh.
Yes.
Yung ginawa sa Folk Art Center, di ba? Even yung Mall of Asia, hindi ko na contest, di ba? Kasi nagawa na yan, and let's say nagawa siya na tama, di ba? But tama na yun. Yung ibig sabihin, tama na yun. And there's something very important to understand. At nabanggit niyo yung kanina sa isang segment niyo rin, di ba? Na merong climate change na tinatawag. Di ba? Yung Dubai, yung Singapore, yung planning noon, na ginawa nila noon when they started that, hindi pa nila masyadong naintindihan yung climate change. Ngayon, they have to adjust to climate change. No? Di ba, all of Amsterdam is reclaimed land, di ba?
Yes,
pero now they're allowing the water to flow kasi sa climate change, sa sea level rise at sa mga storm surge na mangyayari dahil sa climate change. No? Alam niyo yung climate change causes extreme heat. Yung sabi niyo kanina, grabing init, di ba?
Opo.
But it also causes extreme weather events, floods, storm surge. Lahat yan, yung storm surge na yan at yung sea level rise na yan at lahat ng mga ganong klaseng epekto ng climate change. Ang solusyon mo dyan is to let the water flow. Alam nyo, let the water flow. Don't block the water. Reclamation blocks the water. Nag-accumulate siya. It becomes even more powerful as it then destroys, di ba? Lalampasan talaga yung reclamation area na yan. Hindi yan makaka-defend sa atin. Seawalls do not defend us, di ba? Eventually, kaya tama yung US Embassy, nag-complain sila dyan. It's about the Chinese part, but it's the fact that super threatened sila. Yung embassy na yan, historic yung embassy na yan. Manila Hotel, di ba?
Yes.
How can we even think about that? Rizal, a monument, di ba? How can we even think Luneta? How can we even think na i-give up natin yan?
That it will
for a mall,
disappear.
for a condo, di ba?
Oo.
Yun, understand na yun ang pinagpapalit. Yan ang trade-off.
Oo.
Condo, mall, in exchange, the beautiful sunset of Manila Bay, Rizal Park, Rizal Monument, Intramuros, di ba? How
correct.
can we even think about that, di ba?
Hindi nga, buti sana kung residential casino complex. Anyway, attorney, tanungin namin kayo kasi ang binabanggit, yung question na, eto, the sunset, bodies of water being national patrimony para sa bansa yan. And here we have the local government units on their own entering into contracts with these big companies para sa reclamation projects. Ano ba talaga ang sinasabi ng batas when it comes to LGUs entering into contracts separately, no? At kung halos they're entering into contracts involving bodies of water, even like the Manila Bay Sunset, nasabihin na natin national patrimony yan para sa bansa yan.
Yes, but ano kasi yan may LG role talaga dyan, so okay lang yan. Pero ang unang culprit dito yung Philippine Reclamation Authority, di ba? Because yun yung nag-allow ng ano. And then of course, yung past DENR, not under Secretary Yuliloy Saga, for crazy I would say. Kasi alam ng mga taga-DENR na hindi dapat binibigyan ng clearance yung mga projects na ito. They know that. I know them.
Because of
They're good
the
people.
environment. Pero hindi po, walang sinasabi ang batas na kapag ito ay para sa bayan, hindi pwedeng ang
Galawin.
LGU lamang ang
Ang
Ay, hindi,
nagdesisyon.
Ali, remember, may such a thing as municipal water. So, it's a fisheries, di ba? Yung first 3 kilometers are municipal water sa local government yun. Tama naman yun. Kasi ang nagtitake care naman ng malapit sa di ba? Malapit
I think it's like, 15 kilometers from there, ang
Basta
municipal
malapit,
waters
hindi naman,
nila.
15 is already territorial sea. I think 3 kilometers, yung basta first few kilometers, hindi ko na
Sa kanila yon. So they can do whatever
talaga
they
sa
can
local
decide.
government, ang jurisdiction. But lahat ito, owned by the state, but the local government is also the state. Ang intindihan natin, the local government is also a state. Okay naman yun na kung may reclamation, they earn money. Tama naman yun.
Okay. So,
But since yun nga ang kanilang tingin, they don't look at national interest.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Dapat hindi pinayagan ng PRA, dapat hindi pinayagan ng DENR.
oo.
Di ba?
So, attorney,
At nga, dapat bawiin ng DENR yung kanilang ako naman walang problema dyan, hindi naman yan contract
oo.
Walang yan yung tinatawag na impairment of contract. Kasi public interest ito.
That was what I was going to ask because the president already made an announcement na suspended lahat. Pero kung may mga kontrata na ho ba yan, pwede bang i-rescind po ho yan?
Walang problema yon kasi national interest involved.
Oo. So,
Hindi
off the
to
hook.
privilege ito, hindi to contract. Para itong mga mining agreements, forest agreements, di ba?
Oo.
Water agreements, may national interest involved.
Oo.